Hello everyone! Today we'll talk about fruit trees. I love eating fruit and I think fruit trees are amazing.
My favorite fruit is mango.
And the mango tree is a tall, green tree with many big leaves. It has brown, strong branches.
Mangoes grow on the branches, and they are usually green at first.
Then they turn yellow when ripe.
I often see mango trees in warm, sunny orchards, especially in summer. I think the mango tree is very beautiful and gives us delicious fruit. I love eating fresh mangoes right from the tree. This is just the best. It makes me so happy.
I can tell. My turn. This tastes incredible, right from the tree.
It really does. We're so lucky to have nature's gifts like this. I just feel so grateful for all of this beauty.
Me too, Lily. It's amazing what fruit trees give us.
Fruit trees really are amazing, aren't they?
So beautiful and generous.
Absolutely. A real wonder.
We hope you learned a lot about fruit trees today.
Keep enjoying those delicious fruits. Bye for now. Hi everyone! I love fruit and I think fruit trees are amazing. My favorite fruit is orange. It grows on an orange tree. An orange tree is usually a small to medium-sized green tree with shiny green leaves. It has thin branches. Oranges are round and orange. And they taste very sweet and juicy. I like orange trees because they give us refreshing fruit, especially on hot days. I imagine sitting under an orange tree, eating fresh oranges. It makes me feel very cool and happy. I think growing fruit trees is a rewarding hobby because they give us fresh, natural food and make our gardens beautiful. You know, it's pretty amazing how much fresh food you can grow right here. I think growing fruit trees, and really any plants, is such a rewarding hobby.
They give us fresh, natural food, which is truly the best.
And they truly make our gardens so beautiful, don't they? It's just amazing what a little care can do to create something wonderful. Hello, everyone!
Welcome to our amazing orchard.
My favorite fruit is the apple. It grows on an apple tree, right here.
An apple tree is usually a medium-sized green tree.
It has so many round leaves. And look at these strong brown branches. Apples are usually green or red. And they taste so sweet and crunchy. I like apple trees because they give us healthy and delicious fruit. My grandpa
has an apple tree, well, many apple trees, in his garden.
In autumn, we pick fresh apples from the tree.
It makes me feel so happy and proud to eat apples from our own tree.
Fruit trees are just wonderful.
This is my grandpa's apple orchard. It's my favorite place to be in autumn.
Apples are so healthy and delicious. They're crunchy and sweet.
It makes me feel so happy and proud to eat apples from our own tree.
They're the best.
Fruit trees are wonderful. They give us food and shade. So apples are my favorite.
And fruit trees are just amazing.